Today, I'm going to show you a brand new method to install IPA files directly on your iPhone or iPad. And the best part is, you don't need a computer, no jailbreak, nothing complicated. Just follow along step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll have your apps installed and running smoothly. First, open Safari, then go to AppleJR.cloud. I'll also leave the link in the description below. This site is super simple and safe to use. Once the website loads, you'll see the option to install apps or IPA files directly. Before install IPA files, you need to install DNS first so you can avoid revoke. Click Allow, then install the DNS by going to Setting. Hit Profile Downloaded, and click Install. Once installed, now you are ready to install IPA files directly using AppleJR.cloud. Then click Upload button to upload your own IPA files. For example, I want to Delta Executor on my device. Then select the certificate signed from the server and click Sign IPA button. Wait a moment, AppleJR.cloud will give you an installation link to install the IPA files that you have signed. After that, click Install IPA button. Tap Install again and wait a few seconds. The IPA will appear on your home screen, just like apps from the App Store. No PC required. Once installed, you need to trust the app first. Go to Settings. Hit General, VPN and Device Management. Then click Trust. Now you are ready to open and use it. Let's launch it and see. As you can see, the IPA files works perfectly without any errors. And that's how easy it is to install IPA files directly on your iPhone or iPad using AppleJR.cloud. If this helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more iOS tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.